Yo, what is up guys? So it's another day today. Yesterday didn't go out too well. It didn't turn out so great. We managed to f the goddamn brake calipers, so I need to repaint those later on the Audi. Today I got Abdul here with me working on the HRD kit install. We were supposed to do that yesterday, but I didn't really quite know how and I was quite busy working on the other car. We have Abdul working with us. He's going to take a look at the kit. What's up, Abs? So we're working with here today, bro. HRD kit by iilumo. These are going on my Vland headlights I've installed on the previous episode you guys watched. I've never installed these before. I think I have to take off the headlight again to get to the back of it. I'm not sure, bro. But anyways, we ended up taking off the front bar already. It was only held on by like 2 screws, so we're gonna go ahead and try and install these. Some good quality by iilumo. Yeah, let's check out the, I believe these are the bulbs. So I don't know where these go. I'm pretty sure this goes into
that goes
the
in the light.
Right. Good quality.
Don't touch the bulb, yeah?
Yeah, I know that.
You touch it up and it fucks up straight away.
Boom! Shout out to Louis for hooking us up with some iilumo HRD bulbs, and thank you to iilumo as well. Let's get these installed, guys. See, I don't know anything about wiring, so this is why I called Abdul to come help me. I would struggle and stuff like this, even though for you guys it might be simple to understand, but I'm totally like idiot and trying to figure it out. So thank you, Abdul, for helping me.
Alright, so in the kit, these two are used for FRSs. In Australia, we don't have this, so we don't need it. So that can go in the bin.
In the bin!
In the bin!
These two rubber, we don't need it either.
In the bin!
This grey part here plugs into the headlight. Now this white cable here plugs into this white cable here. This gives you your daytime running lights. This part here, push this tab down, pull it open. This bulb goes into this green part here. I'll show you after.
I wonder if people are going to realize how to figure out how to take that out. Because I didn't, bro. I was going to smash the glass, bro.
Yeah, I was going to do that. It's plastic. I was going to smash it.
It would have broke the headlight. Shit, man. I'm going to need another one.
So you twist this off. This comes off like that. If you're safe, you don't want to ruin the bulb, you wear gloves, but, you know, like whatever.
Ah, so you feed the wire through the cap, bro. Not the other way around.
That. You squeeze the grommet through this plastic part. Obviously, if you're wearing gloves, you don't worry about touching the bulb, but I'm not wearing gloves, so. And one of my fingers are like fucked, so. Yeah, so you squeeze the grommet through this, just pull it through. That's gone. Okay, the power showing you before. This notch here and this notch here lines up with these notches here. So this big notch here, the tiny notch there, close it up,
locks into place.
so you have to hold this tight when you put it in. So basically this goes like in this position, so it goes like that. This white wire comes down this way, put it in. Once that's in, keep it tight, twist it, and you keep twisting it till you hear like a click. That click means it's in.
Well said.
Yeah. So this blue cable, simple circuit, blue into green, power, black into black for ground. That can go in there. Later you put this through the cap, but we'll show you that after. The ballast, simple really. This one goes into this one, male to female. This one,
it's pretty much all plug and play.
Yeah.
I thought we were gonna have to splice things.
Yeah. Just when they gave us this, they made it look hard.
Yeah.
We don't need this shit, but they made it like so confusing. Just plugs into this.
Hey, it's a face, man.
I didn't realize that. But yeah, this kit's good quality kit by iilumo. Basically, you can chuck it in the car. I'll show you the next part. So here, it's a rubber grommet.
This is the OEM grommet that comes with it.
Yeah, this is probably if you buy like a cheap HRD kit, you have to like wire it through yourself. But Andy's a sick cunt, you know, he bought a good kit.
Yeah, bro. Probably the only original thing on the car.
Yeah, after the first one, you should be able to do the second one real quick.
If you've done it right the first time, it should look something like that inside and like that.
Twist it on, pull some of the cables through to give you some slack. That's it. Then you plug in the ballast like I showed before, and then you put it in the car. That's about it.
Let's get to installing it on the car.
It's basically, you wanna just feed the wires through, and these two, pull it out a bit. These two here, I don't know if you can see. This big one here connects into this big one up here on the headlight. So you just plug it in, just plug and play, simple. I should have plugged the small one in first, eh?
Probably.
And this triangle looking one here plugs into, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, this triangle one from the headlight. Just plug that in. That side is easier than this side because there's more room. But after those two are plugged in, just put the headlight in and that's about it.
Once you guys completed that step of plugging in the harnesses and the adapters connect to original plugs, what you want to go ahead and do is pretty much reverse of what you did by taking them out. So you got bolts up here, 1, 2, 3 down there, and you got 2 on the side. The other one you have to put on the cover, so this black cover goes on last. Make sure you put on the headlight first before the cover piece that holds the headlight in. If you guys are looking for somewhere to mount your ballast, I'm pretty lazy and I don't really care about what it looks like on the inside of my car. It's not really a show car, it's just built for what I wanted to be built for. So I'm just going to mount my left side here, or to say driver's side here. I went to clean that wax and grease remover. Or if you want it hidden, you can put it down here on the frame, give that a quick clean. And my other side, I'm just going to put it right here. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna go for a little quiet. I'm gonna go for a cleaner look. I'm just gonna mount it onto here, let that dry. Instead of up here, we're just gonna go down here where the box is. Alright, everything is now finished and complete. Everything now is finished and complete now. It's time to go ahead and start it. I haven't seen the front headlights yet. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my car keys. And we're going to see how they look, or if they work, before we put on the front bumper. Let's go see how these things look. Oh shit! They look mean. What do you reckon?
Cracker.
What do you guys think?
Hard work paid off, eh?
Everything seems to be working. That's just the DRLs, day running lights, I think. Do you want to put on beams and that? Ah, yeah, fuck yeah. Ah, I'm blind. Yo, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode on the Vland headlight bulbs install on HRDs. I hope you guys learned how to install some HRD headlights on your Vland headlights today. They look absolutely amazing on the car. They look really aggressive. I highly recommend getting them. They're only about 650 bucks, I think. You can get them from Aerospeed as well. Shout out to Aerospeed for hooking us up as well, and iilumo for the light bulbs. And we're gonna go ahead and put on this front bar. But that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure you stay motivated. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.